The Secret of the Spilled Beans. The biggest secret in Willow Creek Elementary was brewing like a potion. Maya's surprise birthday party. Alex and Liam were the chief secret keepers, huddled behind the giant oak tree at recess. "Remember, Alex," Liam whispered, adjusting his glasses. "If Maya finds out, the whole surprise is ruined. We must be silent as squirrels." Alex nodded solemnly. Keeping a secret this good felt like holding a fizzy soda. You just wanted to shake it up and see it explode. Later that afternoon, Maya walked right up to Alex. "Hey Alex, you look really distracted. What's going on this weekend?" Alex froze. He almost blurted out, "We're setting up a bouncy castle." But he caught himself just in time. He stammered, Nothing much, just homework." Liam appeared and gently steered Alex away. "Whoa, that was close, Alex. You almost spilled the beans." Alex sighed. Spilled the beans? Why do people say that? Did they really spill beans once? Liam chuckled. "It's an idiom, Alex. It means to accidentally or carelessly reveal a secret or confidential information. Think of it like a jar full of secret beans. Once you tip it over, they all scatter." They got back to planning the logistics. They needed blue streamers and giant inflatable planets because Maya loved astronomy. Liam reminded Alex, "We can't spill the beans about the planets to anyone, not even Mr. Henderson, or he might accidentally slip up." Alex was helping his mom bake cupcakes for the party when she asked him what flavor Maya liked best. "Ooh, the surprise ones. I mean, the chocolate ones," Alex shouted. His mom raised an eyebrow. "Alex, you're being awfully secretive." Later, Liam called Alex. "Did you spill the beans about the surprise theme?" "No, I didn't. But it was hard." "How would I use the idiom if I had spilled it?" Alex asked. Liam replied, "You could say, 'I'm so sorry I spilled the beans about the party theme.' Or, 'Don't let Chloe near the list. She always spills the beans.' See? It's all about letting out the secret." Finally, Saturday arrived. Operation Starlight Surprise was a GO. Alex was tasked with distracting Maya while Liam made sure the guests were hidden. Alex paced outside Maya's house, trying not to look suspicious. Every fiber of his being wanted to yell, "Surprise!" "Come on, Alex. Why are we walking toward the old community hall?" Maya asked, slightly annoyed. "I heard they have a really cool new book display." Alex lied smoothly, feeling like a secret agent. They pushed open the heavy wooden doors. Surprise! A cheer erupted, and blue streamers rained down. Maya gasped, seeing the inflatable planets hanging everywhere. Liam gave Alex a high five. "You didn't spill the beans, Alex. You're the best secret keeper in Willow Creek."